Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView for Quotex. First, open both TradingView and your Quotex account in separate browser tabs. On TradingView, search for the asset you wish to trade, ensuring it matches the asset available on Quotex. This initial setup is crucial for seamless analysis and trade execution, allowing you to leverage advanced charting features. Once your asset is selected on TradingView, it's time to dive into analysis. Utilize the extensive range of indicators available, such as moving averages or the relative strength index, to spot trends and potential reversals. Adjust timeframes to suit your strategy, whether you prefer short-term or longer-term views. This detailed charting helps you make informed decisions before switching to Quotex. With your analysis complete on TradingView, navigate back to your Quotex account. Here, you'll input your trade details, such as the investment amount and the predicted direction of the asset's price movement. Always double-check your entry points and expiry times to ensure they align with your analysis. This careful execution is vital for successful binary options trading. To further enhance your trading, consider using multiple indicators in conjunction to confirm signals, increasing your confidence in trade setups. Remember, consistent practice on a demo account is invaluable for refining your strategy without financial risk. Also, check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, so your feet will thank you. Keep learning and stay disciplined for long-term success.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.